Imagine this. You wake up, check your phone, and while you were sleeping, AI just made you money. Sounds like a scam, right? Except it isn't. In 2025, students all over the world are quietly stacking cash using AI tools most people don't even know exist. The crazy part? You don't need coding skills, a business degree, or even startup money. Just a laptop, or honestly, even a phone. And by the end of this video, you'll know 5 AI-powered side hustles that can realistically make you $100 a day or more, starting from scratch. Oh, and number 4? That's the one that literally paid for my college rent, so don't miss it. Why AI side hustles work. Let's clear this up. AI isn't here to steal jobs. It's here to steal boring jobs. The repetitive, low-paying, mind-numbing tasks, AI eats those for breakfast. And when boring jobs disappear, guess who steps in? You. Students who know how to use AI to save people time are getting hired like crazy. Here's the dopamine hit. You don't need to build the AI, you just need to use it better than others. Think of it like driving a car. You don't build the engine, you just know how to hit the gas. So if you can spend a weekend learning how to drive these AI tools, you're already way ahead of 90% of people. Curious? Let's dive into the first hustle. Hustle number 1, AI copywriting. Businesses need words, ads, emails, product descriptions, captions, words sell. But here's the thing, most business owners are terrible writers. That's where you come in. With AI tools like ChatGPT or Copy.ai, you can generate professional writing in minutes. Here's how it works. Find a small business online, maybe a cafe, a fitness coach, or even an Etsy shop. Offer to rewrite their Instagram captions or email newsletters using AI. They'll pay you anywhere from $50 to $200 per project. Now multiply that by a few clients, and suddenly you're looking at $500 to $800 a month. And here's the kicker. The AI does 80% of the work. You just polish it. If you can type, you can get paid. But wait till you see hustle number 2, because it literally makes money while you scroll TikTok. Hustle number 2, AI video editing. Short-form video is exploding. TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts. But here's the problem. Most creators don't know how to edit. They film raw clips and then get stuck. Enter AI video editing tools. CapCut, Descript, Pictory. These apps can automatically cut, caption, and even add trending music. You take raw content, drop it in, and boom, polished video. Creators will happily pay you $20 to $50 per video. And here's where it gets fun. If you batch edit 5 videos in one evening, that's $100 to $200 made in a few hours, just from your laptop. One of my friends literally edits TikToks for a local restaurant using CapCut AI, and it covers his monthly grocery bill. But video isn't even the biggest moneymaker. That comes next. Hustle number 3, AI social media management. Think about how many businesses you know that post once a month, or worse, not at all. It's like having a store with no sign. Here's the play. Use AI scheduling tools like Buffer or Later to manage their content. ChatGPT writes the captions, Canva makes the posts, Buffer schedules them, and you're the middleman connecting it all. Businesses pay anywhere from $300 to $1,000 a month for this service. And here's the rehook. Once you land one client, you can copy-paste the system for others. One student I coached started with her uncle's cafe. Within 3 months, she was managing 5 clients at $500 each. That's $2,500 a month, part-time. But hustle number 4? That's the one that saved me from dropping out of college. Hustle number 4, AI tutoring and homework help. When I was broke, I realized something. Students don't want tutors. They want answers, fast. And AI makes you the shortcut. Here's how it works. Use AI to explain math problems, generate study notes, or simplify tough concepts, and then sell that as a service. Parents will pay you to help their kids, college students will pay you to summarize readings. You can charge $15 to $30 an hour or create study packs and sell them on Gumroad for passive income. I use this exact method, combining ChatGPT with Canva, to make digital study guides. Within months, it was paying for my rent. No degrees, no teaching license, just packaging information in a way students could understand. And hustle number 5? That's where things get wild, because it's not just about making money, it's about owning your time. Hustle number 5, AI freelance agency. Ready for the big leagues? Take everything I just showed you, copywriting, video editing, social media, and bundle it. Instead of you doing all the work, you hire other students, pay them part, and keep the rest. Congratulations, you just became an agency. This is how people scale to $5,000, $10,000, even $20,000 a month. And it all starts with one client. The beauty? AI does most of the heavy lifting. You just manage projects and relationships. Think of it like leveling up in a game. First you're the player, then you become the team captain. And once you're the captain, the game changes forever. But before I wrap, let me drop one bonus insight that'll blow your mind. Here's the truth. Money from AI side hustles isn't just about cash. It's about freedom. The freedom to order food without checking your bank. The freedom to pay rent without begging parents. The freedom to build confidence that you can make money anywhere. And here's the bonus insight. Making $100 a day with AI isn't the finish line. It's the starting line. Because once you do it once, you realize money isn't this scary, impossible thing. It's just a skill. And if you learn the skill, you can repeat it, scale it, multiply it. So here's your action step. Pick one hustle from today, start tonight, and give it 1 week. Don't wait, don't overthink. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll realize your future self will thank you.